Take a look at this full window replacement project completed right here in San Diego by Genesis Home Improvements. In this home, we installed brand new Anlin energy-efficient vinyl windows with clean white frames designed to enhance both comfort and curb appeal. Our team carefully removes the old windows and prepares each opening for a precise custom fit. You'll see our installers using specialized cutting tools to adjust and fine-tune the frame, ensuring every window fits perfectly. Next, we secure the new windows in place and apply a professional-grade sealant. This is what you see being applied around the edges. It creates an airtight barrier that helps prevent drafts, moisture, and energy loss. These high-performance Anlin windows are built with advanced insulation technology, helping keep your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. They also reduce outside noise, creating a quieter, more comfortable living space. The result is a clean, modern look paired with long-lasting durability and improved energy efficiency throughout the entire home. If you're ready to upgrade your windows, Genesis Home Improvements is here to help transform your space. Call us or visit our website today.